What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I would like to say welcome, and if you guys could, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. All of that does help out the YouTube algorithm and helps boost my video to more and more people. So thank you to every single one of you guys that do that on all my videos. And today we have a banger for you guys. We have a sneaker review, but not just any sneaker review. This is probably one of my top 5 sneakers to drop in 2022. So let's get right into it. So here we go. You know, we're gonna do a little quick introduction and go over the box. Now this shoe did drop yesterday for a retail price of $210. Yes, my boy, $210. After tax, it came out to $226 and I believe 38 cents to be precise. Right now, this shoe isn't going for too much on the secondary market. I've been seeing pairs go for anywhere between $240 to $260. So not much to be made on the secondary market, but this is one of those personals you need in your collection. So we have the traditional Jumpman on the box top right here. Then we have the cement print, elephant print, whatever you want to call it. Nike Air branding on the back. Right here is the size tag so you guys can compare to make sure your pair is legit. Now I did pick up this pair from Finish Line, so shout out to the Finish Line plug. They did have a raffle, but they held me down and was like, yo, we have an extra size 11. Come through and pull up. And guess what? Your boy pulled up. So now we're going to go into some of the details that are inside the box. A dope little touch that they added was this Air Jordan pamphlet card, whatever you want to call it. This is more of the stuff that they gave out back in the OG pairs, back in, you know, early 2000s. Even in the upwards of 2010s, we did get some of these retro cards, information cards like this. So they went back to this, you know, little nice insert. So inside the box, they did give us 2 different tissue papers. One being the elephant print one, and then the other one just being a white one. But here we go, the big reveal. The Air Jordan 3 Fire Red OG with the Nike Air on the back, and they gave us this orange hang tag. I'm so excited when Nike gives little details like that, going back to his roots. You know, I'm so excited for that Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. I love the little details, and that is something as sneakerheads we do love, those little details. It can make or break a shoe, and just by them giving us this OG orange hang tag, I'm super excited. Now let's get into some of the materials. So I am going to use the other shoe because I don't want to take off the hang tag just yet. I got to get some of my photos of it. But right here we do have the Air Jordan 3 Fire Red. So for the uppers, there's all leather upper. And to be honest with you, this leather is actually surprisingly very, very soft. And it feels really good. The smell, you know, all sneakerheads have to get that Jordan smell. And it smells delicious. They should make an air freshener about it. But back to the shoe, we do have the midsole. The midsole is a white and red midsole. We get the traditional Jordan 3 gray outsole, red hit right here, red Nike branding as well. We flip it over to the heel portion. We do have Nike Air. This is the first time since I believe the 2000 release or 1990 release that we're seeing Nike Air on the back. We usually get that Jumpman logo, but they blessed us and gave us a Nike Air. Isn't it crazy how such a little detail can make such a big deal in the sneaker community? Now for me personally, I don't mind if it's the Jordan logo or the Nike Air, but I do kind of go after the ones that do have Nike Air on the back just to try to keep that nostalgia look. And one of the most iconic features on the Air Jordan 3 is going to be the elephant print going throughout the toe box and coming around to the ankle portion. And to go around the collar of the shoe, we do have a nice gray sock lining going throughout. We got a red insole with Nike Air branding on the inside instead of the Jumpman as well. And to go around the ankle area, we have this pretty soft perforated red leather. We have red eyelets on the top and the bottom to go along with the white ones right here in the middle. So the shoe comes stock with white laces, and the tongue is half gray, half white leather with the red Jumpman to match. And one of my favorite parts of the Air Jordan 3 is this perforated gray leather they have for the laces. And we are featuring the new OG style tongues. Now I have talked about this in other Air Jordan 3 videos. So the newer Air Jordan 3 style tongue is going to be the one where the leather comes over the fabric. The other ones back in 2010 had the fabric coming over the leather. I will make sure to give you a shot right now of that. But we do have the red sock lining for the back of the tongue. Now overall, this is an amazing shoe. This is a grail sneaker in my opinion, and possibly top 5 sneaker of the year if I had to rank them. Now going over the shoe to check out factory flaws, because we all know Nike and Jordan brand does mess up with that. My pair doesn't seem to have too many flaws. Right now the biggest flaw would be with the paint. We are getting a little bit of extra red dust flakes going over my white midsole, but hey, we're not much to complain about that. Leather feels great, looks great, and I'm super excited to have this pair in my collection. And as you guys know on this channel, I give every sneaker a rating, and if you guys couldn't tell by the way I'm describing this shoe already, I'm gonna have to give this shoe a 10 out of 10. This is a perfect shoe in my opinion. You can't get any better. The Air Jordan 3 is one of my top Jordan models of all time, and the Fire Red 3 is up there with the white cement and black cement. You can't get much better than this colorway. Alright guys, well that's gonna wrap up today's video. A quick sneaker review of one of my grails, and like I said throughout the whole video, a top 5 sneaker of 2022 in my opinion. Make sure to let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. And if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. And if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. It's been your boy Tim, signing off. Peace.